I'm Jonathan Lawson. I'm the site manager at Norton Liverpool. Here at Norton, we're one of the largest metal recyclers and exporters in the UK. We've got operational depots up and down the country. We process in excess of 1.5 million tonnes and export 1.5 million tonnes every single year. We bought the Sennebogens. We've already had an additional 2 machines. We bought the new ones because it offers good flexibility within the fleet. Sennebogen offer a good range of turret sizes at the machine size. It matches perfectly to our static plant requirements, and it's been very successful, and they're proving very capable machines.
I'm Ian Williams, I'm the Mobile Plant Maintenance Team Leader for Norton Co Limited. Sennebogens are great driver comfort, as I've had no complaints of drivers and operators. They're very reliable, as I've had limited breakdowns on these machines so far. Molson have been superb during the build, been health and safety conscious, very good on that. Said what they were going to do during the RAMs and the risk assessments, and we've had additional parts been fitted, and the after sales have been excellent.